Hi guys, I'm Warren Nash, and if you're bored of regular fries, then it's about time you tried sweet potato fries. These are sprinkled with sesame seeds, flavoured with barbecue seasoning and topped off with fresh thyme, which makes these a great tasty alternative to your regular fries. Firstly, take 2 washed sweet potatoes. Then slice your sweet potatoes in half, then into wedges of equal sizes. Now take a saucepan and place it on the stove. Bring some water up to boiling point, then place the sweet potatoes in and leave to simmer for 5 minutes. And after the simmering time, remove the sweet potatoes from the heat and drain them from their water. Then take an oven dish that has some olive oil in that's been preheated at 180 degrees centigrade, which is 350 Fahrenheit. Pour in the sweet potatoes along with a teaspoon of barbecue seasoning and a couple of tablespoons of sesame seeds. Also sprinkle over some rock salt as well as some fresh thyme. Now give your sweet potatoes a stir until they're all combined in the seasoning, sesame seeds and thyme as well as the oil, then they're ready to bake. So place them into your oven, again at 180 degrees centigrade, which is 350 Fahrenheit, and bake for about 45 minutes, making sure you stir halfway through cooking. And after the cooking time, when your sweet potatoes are lovely and crisp, remove them from the oven. Serve them up straight away whilst they're still hot, and why not garnish them with a little bit more thyme as well as a sprinkling of some more rock salt and some sesame seeds. And that is how to make this great alternative to regular fries, which also happens to include one of your 5 a day.